What up, everybody? Good morning. This is my breakfast spread today. Happy birthday, cousin Johnny. What's up, dog? You're probably still sleeping. It's hella early, bro. My breakfast for today. Hold up. I got that for after breakfast. Feel me? I probably won't film that today, you know? I don't want to be making too many smoking videos. You know, I mean, it's cool, but, like, we could also make all kinds of videos, bro. Oh, shit. Pretty good, pretty good. You can never go wrong with eggs and rice and spam with some cornbread. Probably just eat my cornbread for now, you feel me? Like the water, the Tabasco sauce, some Pepto-Bismol. My stomach was hurting today. Hope it's all good. Just chilling. Alright then, cousin, I'm out of here. Have a good day.